Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So I think in previous class, we learned regarding easy relationship, right? So we see all the things on easy relationship, right? Inheritance. Okay. So I think already we learned multi-level inheritance also, right? Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right? We learned
Yes,
right
sir.
already multi-level inheritance. Okay. So multi-level inheritance means what? 3 levels. Okay. Let's suppose grandfather. Okay. From grandfather, we are getting in all the properties automatically to father, right? So all the properties for grandfather and father to what? Child. Okay. So let me give some example on uh, multi-level inheritance, and we can close that. Okay. So now multi-level inheritance. Okay. So what is multi-level inheritance? By using multi-level inheritance, okay, we can extend or we can inherit the property. Sorry. We can inherit the properties and behaviors of our superclass. Okay. Right. So let's suppose class A we have. Class A we have, right? So I think already we discussed on it, but let me. Now, class B we have. Okay. Then class C we have. Okay. Class C we have. So here what? Class C, I want to extend the functionalities of class B. Okay. Just extends B. Understand? So now, because here what? We cannot extend B and A. Right? Like that we cannot extend. This is what? It will become what? Multiple inheritance. Right? But Java does not support multiple inheritance. Already we know. Right? At a time, only one class we can extend. Right? We cannot extend two class functionalities at a time into one class. Because Java does not support multiple inheritance. Already yesterday, I think, right? We saw, right? Why Java does not support multiple inheritance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to now I want to get the functionalities of class A and class B into class C. So what is the way now? Class C extend B, then class B extend C. Right? Now all the functionalities of class A by default available into class B. Right? Now class A and class B functionalities now by default available into whom, guys? Class C. Understand? Everyone. Okay. So now here, let me write. This is multi-level inheritance, guys. Okay. So now, let me write here. Okay. So now here what? Class grandfather. Class grandfather. Okay. So now, what grandfather has? So let's suppose grandfather has some property. Understand? Okay, we will place in grandfather, right? Tell me some few properties, or else.
Age.
Name.
Not age, just I'm asking property. Okay, directly we will write method. Okay. So now public. Okay. Public. Let me write just void. Okay. Public void. Public void what? Grandfather. Grandfather. Okay. Property. Grandfather properties. This is the method. Okay. What grandfather has? What grandfather has? Let's suppose system.out.println. Okay. Grandfather has I mean Okay, he earned. Okay, he earned. Let's suppose grandfather has one house. Okay, and one house and 2 acres land. Understand? Okay, one house and 2 acres land. Let's assume. Okay, so now this is the what grandfather has. Now class father. Okay, what father has now? Okay, public void. Okay, now father properties. Understand? So what father has system.out.println. Let's assume. Okay, father has one flat. Okay, one flat at Hyderabad and okay, 1 year of bank balance. Okay, so these are the assets who earned, guys. Father. Understand? Hello, guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm taking one more class. Now class here what? Son. Okay, class son. Okay, so now class son, what he has is also public void. Okay, son properties. This is the method. Okay, so now system.out.println. So he has let's suppose one car. Okay, one car and flat in, okay, let's suppose California city. Something, guys. Okay, I'm trying to explain you what is multi-level inheritance here. That's it. Okay, now see here. Okay, fine. So now right. So now class sun, right? Public void sun properties. So now here, let me right. So now here what I'm doing, public static void main method, string args. Fine. So now in the public static void main method, what I'm doing, I'm creating object of sun, right? Sun is equal to new sun. Fine. Right? So here see. Now these are the properties we have, right? First of all, what? Class grandfather. So grandfather, what he has? He has one house and 2 acres land in his hometown. Okay. So this is the properties who earned, guys? Grandfather earned. Okay. Now class father. Class father, what he has in his lifetime? He earned one flat at Hyderabad and one crore of bank balance. Okay. So now here what? Now I'm putting right. Right. So now extends. Now extends what, guys? Grandfather. Okay. Extends grandfather. Right. Now what will happen? Class father extends grandfather. Now after grandfather, right? So all his properties, who will get, guys, by default? Father get that. Okay, am I right or wrong? Okay, father automatically will get all the properties what grandfather earned. Okay. Now class father, what he has, so what are the properties he has? Okay, one house and 2 acres land of his parent, and as well as okay, one flat at Hyderabad and 1 crore of bank balance. Okay, this is what his own earnings. Okay,
Yes.
so now his father has what? Okay, these too many. I mean, one house and 2 acres land also he has, and along with that, he has one flat at Hyderabad and 1 crore of bank balance. Because all the properties and all the behaviors of grandfather automatically inherited to whom? Father.
Father.
Okay. Now, class son here. Now came to class son. Class son extends what? Father. Okay. Class son extends father. Now, class son, what he has now is earning his own money. Okay, he has 1 car and a flat in California city, right? So
Yes.
along with these properties, what he has by default, he is getting okay few properties from his parent and his I mean grandfather, right? His father and grandfather. What
Yes.
those? 1 house and 2 acre land and 1 flat at Hyderabad and 1 crore of bank balance. Understand? So
Yes.
now, if he send out, okay, directly he can, okay,
Grandfather.
okay,
GF.
what is the method? GF
GF
properties,
properties.
right? Send out GF properties. So grandfather properties also he can access, right? He can
Yes.
enjoy. Okay. Now, send out father,
Father
right?
property.
Father properties also
We can access.
you can access. Am I right or wrong? Now, son dot, okay, son properties. His own properties also he can access. Okay?
Yes.
Right. So this is the word class close. Fine. See. Now, the son class what? You can access grandfather properties and as well as father properties and his own properties. Okay, because this is what relationship. Okay, this is what extends. By using extends keyword, we can make what relation between two classes. Okay, so now automatically for grandfather and father there is a relationship, parent and child, and father and son there is a relationship, right? Father and son relationship. So
Yes.
automatically the properties what they have, what they earn, automatically inherited to the childs, right? So this is what guys multi-level inheritance. Understand? See how many classes here involved? 3 classes we involved. Okay, from grandfather to father, father to son. Okay, all the properties and behaviors which are available in grandfather automatically inherited to whom? Father class. Now, father class, what are the properties and behaviors he has, and the properties and behaviors of grandfather automatically inherited to whom? Son class. Understand? So this is what guys multi-level inheritance. Okay, so Java supports multi-level inheritance. What Java does not support? Multiple inheritance Java doesn't support. Okay, so we can use what? Multiple classes. Okay, we can extend multiple classes, right? How? This way, multi-level. As okay, in the multi-level concept, multi-level inheritance concept, we can acquire the properties, behaviors of one class into another class. Okay, this is what multi-level inheritance. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear. Yes.
Okay. So now we will go for next topic. Now, here see, so as of now, okay, we are discussing about EJ relationship. EJ relationship is nothing but what, guys? Inheritance, right? So, What is the use of inheritance? Reusability, right? Reusability of the code. That's what we learned, right? So far. Okay.
Yeah.
Inheritance is a mechanism we can acquire properties and behaviors of one class into another class with a specific relationship, right? So that is called what? Inheritance. So now, if you see here, here, there is a disadvantage. Okay. What is the disadvantage, guys? If you go for inheritance, for easy relationship. Okay. So now, let's suppose. Okay. So now, let's suppose A class, B class, C class we have. Understand? So now, let's suppose in A class, yeah. So let's suppose in A class, we have, okay, we have 1,000 properties. 1,000 properties. Properties means what? Member variables. Fine.
Yes.
You know that, right?
Yeah.
So now, and we have 200 member methods. Okay, 1,000 member variables and 200 methods. Fine. So now class B extends A. What happen when you use class B
100.
extends A means what will happen?
1,000
All
properties.
these 1,000 properties and member variables and 200 methods automatically by default available into class B.
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
By default available into class B. Okay. So whether you are using or not the 1,000 properties and 200 methods, but when you use extends keyword means what? Automatically all the member variables and the member methods by default available into the child class. Understand? So now let's suppose here also in the class B also we have same 1,000 properties. Okay, 1,000 properties means what here? Variables, guys. Okay,
Yes.
member variables. Variables and 200 methods. So now in class C automatically class A properties and methods and class B properties and methods by default available into whom? Class C. Right? Am I right or wrong? So
Yeah.
now, see in class C, okay, but I don't want to use all these properties and methods. Understand? I don't want to use all these properties and methods. Okay. I don't want to use all these properties and methods in class C. I want to use, okay, class A out of 200 methods, I want to use only 10 methods or 3 methods. Understand? Out of 1,000 properties, maximum I want to use only 10 properties. Okay. From class B, in class C, I want to use maximum 3 methods out of 200 and 5 properties from class B. That's it. Okay. But even though if you go for extends keyword means unnecessarily, right? We are getting what? All the properties and behaviors of, all the member variables and member methods of superclass to child class automatically we are getting. Right? Unnecessarily, we are getting all the values, right? Even though we are not using all the functionalities of class A and class B. Clear what what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a problem or not? Why we need to get all the properties and or all the functionalities means here what, guys? Member variables and member methods. That's what we have to remember. Okay. Why we need to get all the functionalities of class A and class B into class C? Right? If we are not utilizing fully functionalities of class A and class B into class C, why we need to go for, okay, all these things? Right? Why we need to acquire all these things into class C? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the one of the disadvantages. Okay. And what is another disadvantage here? Now, see, in class C, I extends B, right? I extends B. Now, I want to utilize the functionalities of another class. Understand? In class C, let's suppose class C and class B we have, guys, here. Okay? Now, class C extends B. Fine. Now, so here what? In class C, I want to utilize the another class functionality. Understand? Now, class Z we have. I want to use the functionalities of class Z. I'm writing here, guys. Okay? Class Z I have. Let's assume. Fine. So now I want to use the functionalities of what? Class Z here. Where? In class C. Understand? So how to do that? How can I use? How can I use? So now here, don't go for object, Vignesh. Okay. Still we are discussing inheritance concept, right? Easy relationship, right? In this topic only, yeah, you have to tell. Now, class C extends B. Now, I want to use the functionalities of class Z. So now, class C extends B, Z. Can I write like this?
No, sir.
No.
No, because why? Java does not support multiple
Multiple
inheritance.
inheritance.
Okay, but if you go, if you write class A extends Z, let's suppose class A extends Z. Here, if you write, can we write here?
Yeah, we can.
We can write, but when we will write, if there is a relation, then only we will write.
Yes.
When it is in the
Now
same
here
way, we
class,
can do.
yeah. Here class A is different functionality and class Z is different functionality. Let's suppose we have a, okay, let me write, understand, right? Somewhat you understand, right? Let me write here one more example, then you guys will get better clarity. Okay, so now here what? So now class student we have. Okay, class student we have, guys. This is what class student. Here what it will get? What are the functionalities class student may have? Student related functionality, right? Student related functionality class student will have. Okay, now we have what? Class institute. Okay, class institute we have. So this class institute, what it can have? Institute related functionality, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this is what? Class institute. Now here what? Now class student and class institute. So there is a relation, right? There is a relation. Am I right or wrong? Okay, guys, come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here class institute can extend
Student.
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 Okay, so there is a relation, right? Institute and student, there is a relationship. We can make some relation here because what? Institute means what? Students will have, right? So we can utilize the functionality of student class under institute. We can put some relation here. Okay, but now here what? We have one more class. So this is what? Class account, bank account. Understand? Bank account. Okay, now I want to I want to use the functionalities of bank account into institute. Understand? I want to utilize the functionalities of bank account into institute. Okay, so now do we see any relationship between bank account and institute?
No, sir.
There is no relation, right? So this is separate class, this is separate class. So student and institute, Okay, we can see there should be some relation. But how can you relate bank account and student, right? So this is what regarding account related. Okay, bank loan related. Understand? So this is separate one. Understand? There is no relation between these two. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, guys? So or else, let me take one more example. Instead of bank account, so tell me any class which is not related to this. Let's suppose go for car then. Okay? Car. Maybe bank account means what? Institute also can have bank account, right? Okay? So now let me remove this. Here what? Put car. Or put animal, guys, or else. Class animal. Fine?
Yeah, fine.
No. Now, do you see any relation between student and institute and animal?
Sorry.
There is no relation, right? So let's suppose I want to use the functionalities of animal into institute somehow. So what is the way? So directly I cannot write here student, comma, animal.
Yes.
Why? Java does not support multiple
Multiple.
inheritance. Okay, guys. So now, what is the other way? Then how can I utilize the functionality of animal class into institute here? So you have to go forward here, class student, right? Here we have to go forward, extends animal. Now, then I can utilize the animal functionality into institute class. But how can you extend class student into animal? Student is some other functionality, right? Student class is talking about some other functionality. Animal class is talking about some other functionality. How can we maintain relation here? We cannot maintain, right? Hello?
Yeah, yes.
Understand, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
I want to use the functionalities of animal class here. We cannot utilize the functionalities of animal class here. If you go for extends, can you see the problem here?
Yeah.
Right? In institute class, I want to use the functionality of animal class. Now, how can we utilize? How can we use the functionality of animal class here? We cannot utilize. We cannot use. Why? If you go for extends, student and animal means what? This is a multiple
Different.
inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Understand? What is the problem here? If
Yes.
you go for easy relationship, right?
Yes, sir.
So at a time, we can extend only one class functionalities here. If you want to use the other class functionalities, if you go for easy relationship means what? Inheritance by using extends concept. Okay. So we cannot utilize because Java does not support multiple inheritance. We cannot extend two classes at a time. Clear? So these two are the problems here. Right? Here unnecessarily we are acquiring all the properties and methods into child class, even though we are not really required all the properties and methods of parent class. Understand? That is the one problem. So what is the second problem? If you go for easy relationship, we cannot utilize the functionalities of another class. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the problem here? So
Yes,
now,
sir.
how to resolve this problem? Yes, there is a code reusability. I agree. But even though there is a problem here, right? Now, how to resolve that? I want to use the functionalities of inheritance. I want to use the reusability of the code. Okay. But here I see there are problems. These are the problems, right? How to resolve these? Okay. Now, to resolve these, okay, in Java, we have a beautiful concept called as a relationship. As a relationship. Okay, as a relationship. Now, as a relationship. Fine. Now, what is has a relationship? Okay, so has a relationship. It is also known as composition or aggregation. Okay, we also known as composition or aggregation, guys. Then, so now, here, so there is no specific keyword. Okay, there is no specific keyword to implement as a relationship. Okay, but mostly we will use, but mostly we will use our new operator. By using new operator, what we can implement as a relationship. Okay, so here also for as a relationship also, what is the main advantage, guys? The usability of the code. Reusability of the code. Okay, here. Okay, now. So here what? Has a relationship, right? Has a relationship means what? So now, if you see, okay, let me take one example here. Okay. Right. So now, if you take any car, guys, okay, let's suppose Honda City car, right? If you take Honda City car or else any other car, okay. So now, if you see the tires, okay. So for Honda City, the tires, if you see, they can fit what do you call JK tires or Apollo tires, right? Or else Bridgestone tires. Okay, so like that, they will fit some other company tires. Understand? So now, if you see maybe internal parts, so they will get it from some other companies. Okay, all together they will fix and they released into one car object into the market. Understand? This is what, guys, composition. Understand? This is what composition. So now they are making one object. Finally, that object is what? Useful. Okay, to travel from one place to another place, right? But to prepare that object, what they are using different parts from different vendors. Okay, tires are they are getting from different vendor. So now tires they are not using for Honda company, right? So they are using from some other vendor like Apollo or Bridgestone. Okay, so Okomo. So like that we have different tires, right? JK. Okay, so they will fit what? These tires. Understand? Hello? Come on, guys. Engine. Engine means
Yes,
they will fit from some other engine. Fiat engine. Okay. Or else Ford engine. Like that. Okay. Finally, what they are preparing? They will prepare one car object. And they release that object into market. This is what, guys? Composition. Okay. This is what? Composition. Now here, now, car and engine, right? Now what? Car has a engine. Understand? Car has a engine. So let's suppose let me take a class car, guys, here. Okay, I'm having a car. Okay, I'm having a car. Now here, class engine. Okay, class engine I'm having. Right? Engine. So engine can be separate, right? So now engine what? Class engine contains what? Engine specific functionalities. Okay, engine specific functionalities. Understand? So now to prepare car, okay, what car should have? Engine should have, right? Without the engine, how car can run?
Yes.
Understand? Now, what I need to do? I need to use the functionalities of engine class. Where? In car class. Understand?
Yeah.
Now, I want to use the functionalities of engine class into car. I need to fit this engine to a car, right?
Yes.
This is car, class car. Now, in order to car has to run means what car should have engine.
Main.
Okay. So now I want to use the functionalities of engine. Right. Now, how can we do? So here, engine. Right. How can we use the functionalities of engine class here? Engine eng is equal to new engine. So already you guys know as a relation. Okay. So far we have created so many classes, right?
Yes.
Okay. So already you know what is as a relationship, but you don't know that is as a relation. Like that you don't know so far. Okay. So now has a relationship means what here? See. Now class car has a engine, right? Car has a engine reference. See, if you see in this example, what it is? Now car has a engine reference. Understand, guys?
Okay.
Car has a engine reference. See here, in the car class, okay, in the class car, what it has? Engine reference. Hello?
Yeah.
Come on, guys, tell me.
Yeah.
In class car has what? Engine reference. This is what, guys, as a reference. Understand? Now in the class car, we want to utilize the functionalities of what? Engine class. So what we have to do? Instead of going, okay, relationship. If you have instead of going extends keyboard or easier relationship, simply sorry guys. Sorry. Come on. No. So now, if you want to utilize the functionalities of engine class into class car, so directly simply what? You can create object of engine class. Then you can, okay, you can call what are the methods you want, what are the properties you want. You can access what are the methods you want to access from engine class, you can access, and what are the properties you want to access, you can access into car. Class called car. Am I right or wrong? Now here see, car has what? Engine reference. In the class car, what it has? Engine reference. By using that engine reference means what here? Object reference, ENG. By using that engine reference, so what are the functionalities you want to utilize in class car? Okay, of engine class you can utilize. So now class car and engine what? Has a relationship. Clear everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here, let's suppose, okay, let me write one example here. Let me write example or directly I can write here. Okay. So now see here. So just I'm thinking whether you have to write in Eclipse ID or not. Fine. So here what? Fine. We will write here, guys. Okay. So now see class car I'm taking. Okay. Class car I'm taking. So now definitely class car can has what? Properties, few properties. Okay. So now let me write enter tires, right? How many tires car can has? 4 tires, right? Hello, tell me guys. Okay, so enter tires. Next one. So int steering. Okay, how many steerings has? Only one, right? Next windows. Int only, right? How many windows has? Some 4. Okay, so like that we may have few properties. Okay, so along with that, finally, what car should has? Car should run, right? So now let me write public void run method. Okay, running. Come on, guys. Okay, public void running. Or run method. Fine. So now, in order to here what system dot out dot println now. Okay. Car is or move. Move method or run method. Run method is best, right? Fine. Now car is running. Okay. So right. So now this is what, guys? Class car. So now in the same way, here what I will take one more class. Okay. How car can run without engine, right? Engine should have, right? Now here what I'm writing engine class. Okay. For the engine class, so engine should have some properties, right? Some specific properties, right? Here I'm writing what? Engine specific properties. Okay. And along with that, here what? Engine has one method, public void start. Okay. Start is a method. So now system dot out dot println. Okay. Engine started. Engine started. Fine. Engine started. So now, yeah. So now in car, class car. So now in order to move the car means what we have to do? First of all, we have to start the engine. Understand?
Yes.
Hello. Come on,
Yeah.
guys. What we need to do? We need to start the engine, right? So what we need now? Class car want to utilize the functionalities of engine. Okay. Hello. Let's suppose this is Toyota car, guys. This is what? Toyota car. Okay. Right. This is a Toyota car. Toyota. Okay, guys. This is what? Toyota car. Class Toyota car. Now in the Toyota car, I want to, in order to run this Toyota car means what it should have? Engine
Engine
should
start.
have. Right. Now we want to use the functionalities of what? This engine class. Right. So what we need to do now? In the run method, how car can run without starting engine? Right? We need to start the engine, right? So
Yes.
now here, engine.
En-
Okay. Engine, eng is equal to
New.
new engine. Right. So now what I'm doing here, I created object of engine class. Understand? So after that, what I need to do? In order to run the car means what we need to do now? We need to start the engine, right?
Yes.
So now, eng dot what?
Start.
Let me remove this here. I want to write. If you go for paint means this is the problem. You cannot edit right. Once we write something here in print, we cannot edit that. Need to right. Just I need some space here. That's it. Fine. So now,
En box.
now what I need to do? Eng dot
Start.
start method. Right. So now, once you engine started, okay. After that, what? Okay, you can press escalator, then car will move. Right. So now engine dot start. Here what you can write system dot out dot println car is moving. Car is moving or running something. Okay. Okay, guys. So now light is showing. I want to remove this one. But I'm not able to do. Okay. So this is the main method. Okay. This is the class closing, guys. Fine. So now here, understand? So here, class Toyota car and class engine. Now, class Toyota car has a engine. Now, Toyota car and engine what? Has a relationship. These two are what? Has a relationship. Understand?
Yes.
Now,
Yes,
Toyota
sir.
car and engine has a relation. So here now, I want to utilize the functionalities of engine class. Simply what I'm doing, just simply I'm creating object of engine class. And after that, by using that object reference, okay, I'm accessing start method. So now, engine is started. After that, what? Car is moving. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
Toyota and car and the engine. These two are which relation now? Has a relation. These two are under which relation? As a relation. Okay. So now let's suppose I have what this is Toyota car. Now Maruti car we have. Right? Maruti car we have. Plus Maruti. Right? Class Maruti we have. So the class Maruti also I want to, right? Now I want to travel with, okay, class Maruti car. So for even for class Maruti car also, definitely what should have engine. Without engine we cannot run, right? Hello, come on guys. Without engine we cannot move. Car cannot move, right? No. Here run method. So now in the run method, what it has to do? It has to display functionalities of engine, right? What we need to do now? We need to create object of engine class. Right? How can we utilize the functionalities of one class into another class? We have to create object of that class, right? Now, eng dot what? Start method. Fine. Hello. I don't know whether you guys are understanding or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Understand.
understanding.
Understanding, right? Now
Yes,
here
Yes,
see
sir.
the same engine class. Here also we are reusing, right? The same engine class, here also we are reusing. How many times we have written engine class? Only one time. The same engine we are fitting for Toyota car and the same engine we are fitting for Maruti car. Let's suppose if you want to utilize, if you want to fit the same engine car for Honda City car, then you can fit. Understand? So this is what? Reusability. Hello? This is what? Reusability. Right? So in the here also, see, if you go for EJ relationship, so EJ relationship also, what is the advantage? Code reusability only. But here also, what is the
Yes, sir.
advantage? Code reusability only. Right? Here also we are reusing the same code. Here also we are reusing the same code. Understand? But see, what is the difference here? Now, in the Toyota car, let's suppose engine class has 200 methods. Understand? 200 methods it has. How many methods, guys? 200 methods. Okay. Engine class contains what? 200 methods. Let's assume. So now, and 1000 properties it has. Let's assume. But now, in the Toyota car, how many methods are we are using? Only one method. That is what? Start method. Hello? Come on, guys. Only
Yes, sir.
start method
Start
only we are
method.
utilizing. So directly you can utilize only the method what you required. Right? Here we are not getting all the 200 methods and 1000 properties into our class called Toyota car. If you go for EJ relationship, now class Toyota car extends engine means what will happen? All the properties and all the methods which are there in engine class by default available into Toyota car. Clear? If you go for what? EJ relationship. But here in car, how many methods I want to utilize? I want to use for engine class only one method. That is what? Start method. Even though unnecessarily, okay, I'm inheriting what? Remaining 199 methods and 1000 properties. Okay, that is the problem with if you go for EJ relationship. Now, has a relationship. Here also what? I want to utilize the functionalities of engine class. Code reusability only. Understand? In the Toyota car, I don't want to create engine method. I don't want to create a start method. Already, engine class we have. Under the start method we have. Just I want to utilize that engine class. Understand? So how can I utilize? Without using EJ relationship, without using extends keyword. So there is a concept called as a relationship. What is as a relationship? Hey boss, if you want to utilize the functionalities of one class into another class, what you have to do? Simply create of the class, okay, into your, simply create an object of that class into your class, and by using that object reference, you can utilize the what are the methods you want to access and what are the properties you want to access. Clear, everyone? So this is called what, guys? As a relationship. So now see here also I'm utilizing the functionalities of I'm utilizing the functionalities of engine class. But here, how many methods I want to use? Only one method. So simply you can call that method. You can access that method by using that object reference, start method. Right? Here unnecessarily I'm not getting any remaining 199 methods and 1000 properties into my class, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please respond. Understand or not?
Yeah, understand.
Okay, fine. That is for the first problem solved, right? Here, what is the first problem we discussed? This one. 1000 properties and 200 methods. So that problem resolved, right? Now.
Yes.
So what is the other problem now? Okay. Now here, public void run method. Fine. Class engine we have. So now in the Toyota car, what else we required? What else we required? Let's suppose tires we required. Okay. So tires, which tires I want to fit for my Toyota car? Bridgestone. Example, Bridgestone. Okay, Bridgestone tires. So now here what I'm writing now? I'm writing one more class. Okay. Here I am writing one more class. What is the class now?
Tires.
Bridgestone.
Bridgestone tires.
Bridgestone tires. Okay. Bridgestone. Fine. So this is what Bridgestone company. Okay. For company, right, tires. Bridgestone tires. Okay. So now here what? There is a method. With public. Okay. Public void. With Bridgestone tires. This is the method, guys. Let's assume. Okay. So now here what? System.out.println. Fitting Bridgestone tires. Okay, fitting Bridgestone tires completed. Something is okay. Okay, just I want to add some message, right? That's what I meant. Fine. So now this is what Bridgestone tires. So now for which car I want to fit these Bridgestone tires, guys? Toyota car. Okay, Toyota car. Now what I have to do now? Come on, tell me what I have to do now. Come on, guys. I want to fit now what? Bridgestone tires.
Yes,
What I
sir.
need to do now in Toyota car? I want to utilize the functionalities of Bridgestone tires class.
Yes.
What I need to do now? I need to create
Create new
object.
object.
Bridgestone
Tires.
Bridgestone tires. Right?
Yes.
Tires is equal to new
Bridgestone tires.
Bridgestone tires. Right? I need to create an object of Bridgestone tires. And after that, what I need to do? This case. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now I created what, guys? Here should have semicolon. Fine. Now, Bridgestone tires object I created. After that, what? I want to call this method. Right? Then only tires will be fitted, right? How to do that?
Yes.
Guys, here I am writing. Okay, fine. After start method, I'm writing. Anyways, we put semicolon, right? Fine. Now, tires dot $20, right? Now, see here what? Tires dot tires dot fit. Which method we have to call? Fit Bridgestone. Tell me. Bridgestone tires. This is the method, right?
Yes.
If you call this method, what will happen? The Bridgestone tires will be fitted to your Toyota car. Okay. So now see here. Will I go for any okay, any easier relationship here? Simply what I'm doing, just simply I'm creating the object of the Bridgestone tires. And after that, by using that object reference, I'm accessing what? The method. Okay, fit Bridgestone tires method. Then tires will be fitted to my class, my car.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes,
Now the same Bridgestone tires, now I want to fit for what? Maruti car. So I can access, right?
Yeah.
From here also, I can create object of this Maruti car, I mean Bridgestone tires class. And after that, I can call this fit Bridgestone tires method.
Okay.
Here what? Code reusability, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Code reusability or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Like that. Fine. Now here see, here in the previous example, class student and institute. Okay, class student and institute, they should have some relation. So that's what class student extends students, right? So this is what by saying there is a sense here, right? Because what student and institute can be some relation. Now institute what, definitely every institute should have what, some account, bank account, right? Now here I'm creating what, one bank account class bank account. See guys now. Okay, here what, bank account. Now public void open account. Okay, this is the method. System.out.println open account, bank account or else. Fine. So now see, so now bank account, there is a separate class, right? Now there is a relation, there is no relation between student and institute and bank account, right? Because student and institute should be, there is a relation. But institute and bank account, there is no relation. And student and bank account, there is no relation. But in institute class, I want to use the functionalities of what? Bank account, right? So directly, I cannot go here, extends bank account, right? I cannot go, right? Why? Why I cannot go like this? Because Java does not support multiple inheritance,
Multiple inheritance.
right? But here, if you want to write here, class students extend bank account means there is no meaning here, right? There is no relationship between student and bank account. Am I right or wrong? So now
Yes,
I want
sir.
to use the functionalities of bank account. I want to open the account for my institute. What I should do now? Okay, already extends one student, right? In my institute class already extends student. Institute and bank account, you can put some relation. Every institute should have some bank account, right? So now institute and bank account, you can have some relation. You can extend bank account. But here already I extended one class. But now we cannot extend one more class. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
But I want to utilize the functionalities of bank account. So what is the other way? Has a relationship.
Has
Go
a
for
relationship.
has a relationship. Here what we will do? Create object of this bank account.
MVK.
Okay.
Bank account.
Bank account. So
S is
now
equal to
bank is equal to new bank
New
account.
bank account.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
New bank account. After that what? Bank dot open account. Right. So now here what we are doing in institute class? We are utilizing the functionalities of student class and as well as bank account class. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
In institute class, we are utilizing the functionalities of student class and as well as bank account class. There see, in student class means what? Student related information it should there. So all the information definitely institute should have, right?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
So all the student related information who should have? Institute should have. So
Institute.
that's what here we can go for what? Easy relationship. Right? Here which
Yeah.
one is best? Easy relationship or has a relationship? Which one we have to go? Easy relationship.
Yes.
Because what? Institute want to use all the functionalities of student class, all the properties and the methods which are available in student. Okay, institute class wants to use. So that time, what is the better way? Easy relationship. I mean, by using extends keyword. Okay. Now for institute and bank account. So definitely in bank account means bank means what? Many features we have, many methods and maybe many properties we have, right? Savings account or current account, loans, number of loans, different types of loans. Like that, we have many features. Am I right or wrong? But here institute class wants to use all the functionalities of bank account, not required. What institute should have now? What is the what do you call? What is the functionality institute want to utilize? Only open account. That is the okay. So that is the method. That is the functionality institute class wants to use. So by that time, instead of going with extends, right? What is the better way? Go for as a relationship. Create an object of this bank account, and by using that bank account object reference, you can call what are the functionalities if you want. What is the functionality institute class required here? Only open account. Just call that open account functionality which is available in bank account. Right? Your task is completed. Understand?
Yeah, understood.
Everyone. So hope you people understood. So here, what is the problem? If you go with the easy relationship, how can we resolve those problems by using as a relationship? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No.
Fine. Right? So this is called as a relationship, guys. So definitely, directly, we can go with easy relationship and as a relationship. Okay. See, when we will go for easy relationship means, so if you want to utilize the all the functionalities of one class into another class, so that time, I mean, what is the relationship we have to go? Which relation we have to go? Easy relation, right? Easy relationship means what? By using extends keyword. Now, I want to use few functionalities of one class into another class. So this time, what is the best solution? What is the best relationship? As a relationship. Okay? As a relationship. Fine? Now, I want to use the functionalities of different classes into one class. So that time, what we will go? You can go easy relationship. At the same time, you can
As
go
a
as a
relationship.
relationship. Right? So now, two classes we have. In the first class, all the functionalities of first class, I want to utilize the, so let's suppose here only, already we discussed that, right? Here A class, B class, Z class we have. All the functionalities of A class, I want to utilize to B class. Right? So that time, which relation we have to go? Easy relationship. Right? Hello? Come on guys. Easy relationship. If you go for easy relationship, auto by default, all the functionalities of A class into available into B class. At the same time, in B class, I want to utilize the functionalities of Z class. Right? So that time how do we utilize the Z class functionality? That time we have to go for what? As a relationship. Already we extended A. We cannot extend Z, right? Again. Because Java does not support multiple inheritance. Right? For that reason, what we have to go? As a relationship. Create object of Z class into B class. And you can, by using that object reference, what are the functionalities you want to access? You can access. Fine? Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, here, what is the advantage of as a relationship? What is the advantage of as a relationship?
Code reusability.
Code reusability, right? So the main advantage of as a relationship is code reusability. Code reusability. right? So the main advantage of has a relationship is code reusability. Okay, but here the main disadvantage of as a relationship is what? Tell me, anyone? What is the disadvantage here? The main disadvantage of has a relationship is what?
Memory, sir.
Memory. Why memory? Relationship is what? Increases dependency, guys, between components. Okay. The main advantage of as a relationship is what? Code reusability. Fine. But the main disadvantage of as a relationship is increases dependency between the components. Understand? Increases dependency